Okay, let's get it, y'all. Shout out to the whatever podcast for this one, man. Cause yo, they put the women to the test, man, and they made themselves look foolish. I don't mess with no dating apps. Never have, never will. I'm not with it. Let's get to it.
You would go on a date with the guy, but first we have to get like your age range. So like, what's your dating age range?
My dating age range, I'll put 27 to 35.
Do you hear that, Nick?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So yeah, 20 swipes, just a yes or no. Yeah.
No.
Alright, go ahead.
No. No. No.
I bet you she said no to every single one.
No. No.
Damn, she laughed at him.
No.
That's fucked up.
No. Yeah.
Oh, she said yeah to one.
No. No, he's too pretty.
Too pretty. I hear that a lot. That's weird.
No.
Oh, what?
I'm very confused.
That boy Waller.
I would swipe yes though, just to ask him about the picture.
You an idiot.
Because if I'm on here, I'm bored.
Okay.
You can meet people in real life. Okay, no. No. His dog's cute though.
I see what he tried to do.
Yeah.
He did add the dog to at least got her attention.
No. Duck lips? What the hell? No. No.
Damn, she was emotional about that
No.
one.
Has it been 20 yet? I feel like I said no to everybody.
We're
Okay.
gonna do an extra 5.
Okay.
We want to go until you finally say yes.
I'll do 5. Take a minute. No.
She said it's gonna take a
No.
minute. Hey y'all, pay attention,
No.
y'all. This is what they do.
No.
And y'all be thinking y'all on there styling and profiling and all of that.
What's that one
No.
guy?
That's
He
why,
sings, though.
bro.
James
Dave.
Franco.
Yeah.
I would
James-
never put
Like,
myself
who
up
is
to
it?
this.
No. 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 No.
That was a little weird to put a
I'm-
picture of a guy
No.
kissing you in your cheek, even though it's probably your brother or
No.
something, but still it's weird.
There's not
No.
one black man in this mix.
Exactly.
Do you guys have like? Do you have like a racial preference?
Yeah.
That's
like,
the problem.
huh?
Do you have like a racial preference? Like, you don't date white guys or?
I don't date white men. They just.
So why
don't
you ain't say that from the start then? You could.
understand
They
what
they
I've
done
gone
put.
through. So I need.
She's an idiot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Yeah, we'll do. We'll just move on. We'll
You
do
waited
your
till
age
they went
range,
through
dating age
25
range.
men and then say
22.
waited till they asked you that, and you instead of you saying, "Hey, I just don't date that race." Like I don't get it. But this goes to show you that
I don't know who I'm looking at.
The
No.
hottest one, just pick that.
I know which one. No. 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 No.
But they just told you that.
No.
Didn't they just tell her?
No.
Did she just tell them that she don't like white guys?
No.
Though? So it's kind of pointless for her to
No.
even be
No.
looking at these guys.
No. I was like a double whammy. No. No.
Damn, brothers.
Who?
Dua Lipa?
Yes.
Maybe.
I have no
Yeah.
idea who that is. Who could? Dua Lipa.
Wait, are you saying yes to Dua Lipa?
I mean, yeah, but like, for real. But to the guy, I mean,
She likes women.
yes.
Okay.
We should have put women up here.
No,
We could do one.
no.
Yo, dudes are cooked.
No.
Dudes are cooked.
Should we put up? Like,
Yo, dudes are cooked. Yo,
Yeah,
stop
maybe
putting y'all
it's-
stuff on the
is
social
it like
media
an
stuff,
easy-
man. On here.
Ben George donated $69. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I never meant any ill will toward anyone. Sometimes text can be misinterpreted.
I don't know which
Oh,
one.
okay, thank you, Ben George.
Yeah, I don't think you upset anybody, Ben George. You were cool.
About what?
We'll do
6'9".
We'll
All
do,
good.
Women. You ready?
You?
Or
No.
Yikes.
I forgot your name. I'm sorry.
Okay, are they doing women now?
Yeah, it's fine. No. No.
Damn, bro.
No. Yes.
Period.
Ugh.
No. No.
Yes. Wow.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Damn, they laughed at the black girl.
Your dating age range?
28 through 38.
28 through 38, Nick, for the next one.
And this also shows that
You only got through just one.
people's preferences and also types. You can't feel no way about it, about how somebody else perceives you or whatever.
No.
That's my man Ahmed.
No.
Wait a minute. No. That's not no damn Matt.
Alright.
Bro. I used to work with this dude. That is Ahmed Issa. No, that's Ahmed, yo. He's not no fucking banker. Okay, mate. That's Ahmed. I don't give a damn what nobody say. That's Ahmed, bro. That's crazy. I wasn't expecting to see somebody I know here.
Kitty.
I freaking know the dude. But
No.
he's not a banker.
No.
Unless it's something new. I don't know.
Yeah. No. Nope. Nope.
Really? Nope. You guys are saying no to some that I'm like,
Can they put
He looks like he's holding a
race in there?
syringe.
Because clearly they don't like.
I was gonna say, yeah, he can do your
he'll do
plastic
your lip
surgery
fillers
for
and
you.
your Botox for you.
That's
Yeah.
totally a purposeful picture.
Yeah.
That's a little
No.
Unabomber.
No.
Unibot.
Half-ish. No.
Okay, definitely.
Half-ish. No.
Okay.
Half-ish. No. What the fuck?
Interesting.
Hatfish.
No.
Oh, so that
No.
don't wear hats.
No. No.
What? He's like glaring.
No.
He can't glare at the sun. Hey yo, the thing that they say, bro, is insane.
That's the profile, huh?
Alright, do you want to skip because you're married?
Yeah. I mean, I can do
You
it. If
can
you
do it
guys
if
want
you
me to do it, I'll do it, but I don't.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, we'll
if
do
you're
it for
married,
fun.
stay
If
out
you
of the
want
way.
to.
Okay, sure.
You know what? You should
I'd
do it.
probably
So now your
say,
husband know
like,
what
25
his competition is.
35. Actually,
Because he probably
30,
could look and see like,
or like,
I ain't
let's do
nothing that she
20 Yeah,
like.
25 to 35.
So I
sorry.
don't even understand why.
No. No. No.
We need to see her husband.
No.
We need to see her husband. We need to see her
Sure.
husband.
No. No. No.
We need to see her
Sure.
husband.
No. Sure. Sure. No.
What on earth?
No. No.
He's doing more with the dog than
No.
him.
No. 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 No.
He look weird.
Did you want to do this or pass?
I guess I can.
Age range?
35 to 45.
They need to
Are
get
most of
closer
you guys
to these
picking
women's
Dudes
faces.
that are a little older. It seems
just
like.
thinking that.
Yeah.
No.
Oh wow, bro, you look crazy.
No.
You look frumpy.
No.
Bad boy.
No. No. No.
What is she
No.
looking? What are they looking for?
No. No.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. No. No.
And then even the years, like yeah, it wasn't even like
No.
like a for sure.
No.
Yo, stay
No.
off this stuff, fellas. Stay off
No.
of these dating sites,
No.
y'all. Stay up, because y'all, this is exactly what they do. Look at this is like 5 women already.
Because he cooks.
And he cooks lobster.
Yeah. The seafood guy.
Okay.
Your age range?
18 to 22.
And I'm gonna be honest. Out of all of these women, one of them is probably like shown off, and I ain't even saying shown off like
No.
a 10, but like
No.
there's a looker.
No. 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 No.
Too dark.
Yeah, I can't. No. 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 Yeah.
She saw
No.
tattoos.
No.
She saw
No.
tattoos.
I mean, the younger one, yeah. No.
They like
Yeah.
the superficial shit.
No. No. No.
What?
No.
Man.
I don't know.
No.
Adam Sandler.
Sandler?
No, it's the dude next to him. Idiot.
Why do these people have like Adam Sandler, Dua Lipa in their photos?
They want you to think they're cool.
Right.
Yeah.
No, maybe that's just their best picture that they have. A lot of guys don't
Did
take
you
photos of
wanna do
themselves.
this one, Jade?
They're not vain like women where they're taking a
18 to
50 fucking
21.
pictures just to post it on they on their screensaver. That's so vain. I never understood that shit. I hate it.
No.
Here's me at the
No.
salon.
Like, why would I put myself
No.
unless it's like some creative stuff? If it's just a regular selfie, I'm not putting my selfie on my screensaver.
No.
If it's something that I went and I got a
No.
photo shoot or something, that's something
No.
different. But
No. No. I can't see. No. No.
Those arms though.
No. 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 No.
she thought about it. She like nerds.
No. No. No.
Is that 20? We need 5 more. Is that
That
all
is
the-
insane, y'all.
Yeah, we'll try to do 5 more.
We'll do 10 more.
Okay, yeah, 10.
Until we get one. Until we get one. Go ahead.
No.
All right, we're gonna end it there, y'all. That's insane, man. But this is a, like almost like a case study to show y'all, fellas. Stop going on these dating apps. Okay? I'm not saying I feel like these dating apps should only be to try to bust something down. If y'all going on here that think y'all gonna find something serious, you're sadly mistaking yourself. You can clearly see that they have no interest in none of y'all, in none of us whatsoever. You got to be some superficial movie star looking motherfucker for them to even think about it. The average guy, which is everybody, or every guy, which is the average guy is not enough anymore. So they're going for the 1%. You can see it. There's literally the 1%. They're picking one, maybe one of them pick 2, but for the most part, all of them picking 1 or none. Think about that. And they went through damn near over 100 probably profiles in within this time. Yo, stop. Clear that shit off there. Let them date women. Let them date each other. Stop going on this shit, man. Embarrassing yourself. I had a homeboy that used to tell me all the time that he's be on there. I was like, bro, I can't do it. I tried that shit when I was younger. I don't know what it is now, but that shit was trash. Trying to DM people or whatever the case may be just to get their attention. Like, man, fuck all that, man. That shit is corny. If I can't meet a person in person, why would you want to do that? That's corny. To me. I mean, to me. Hey, to each his own. I'm not doing it. Anyway, you already know. Hit the tick on the blinker. Y'all should have hit it already because it's been going the whole time. You should have been, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe the whole time. You should have been following me on all my social medias at the same time. You dig? Make sure you do that because if not, you gonna